How to join a person that is not your friend on Roblox. For this, go ahead and open a preferred browser on your PC. So in the search bar or the URL address, go ahead and type in for roblox.com, where you will land in the Roblox official homepage. Make sure to log into your Roblox. So with the recent updates, you will not be able to join a person that is not a friend on Roblox. However, you'll be able to join a server that the person is on. For that, select a game that you want to join the person in, then check out the servers. Right here on the server my friends are in, you will easily be able to find the server they are playing on. At the bottom, you will also find other servers where you can easily join even though the person is not in the server itself. However, if you want to join a person, you have to go ahead and type in for the username in the search bar. Here in the people's category, you will find all of the people with a similar username. Just go ahead and tap open the person you are looking for. Now, the only way to join a person is to add a friend. You can also follow this person, however, the follow will not be doing anything regardless of just increasing the followers list. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Hopefully you found this informative and helpful to you.